Tuesday, May 17th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. It was a wet night last night in parts of the region, especially around the Charlotte metro. I'll show you that here in just a second. And it's going to really, for a lot of us here across the region, be a cool, showery type of Tuesday. There's a broad perspective of the radar here during the 5 a.m. hour, and it's been the southern Piedmont over toward parts of the Sandhills region that's seen this persistent rain and embedded thunderstorm activity through the night. There was a closer look at the Greenville-Spartanburg NEXRAD data here, again, during the 5 a.m. hour, and the rain's really been piling up. Look at the radar estimated totals. Parts of Gaston County have picked up over 2.5 inches of rain and approaching 3 inches since yesterday evening, and the rain also piling up in other areas. In fact, some flash flood warnings beginning to be issued in parts of that region as I speak. Now, what's going on is you have a big upper level low that I showed you yesterday was centered right about here. Now it's centered here, and it's really developing a nice area of low pressure that's going to give us that cool, showery type of day. Temperatures here across the region are really going to be held down due to the clouds and rain, especially for the Interstate 85 corridor, roughly up through the foothills and into the mountains. Severe thunderstorms a possibility, mainly extreme northeastern North Carolina on up through the mid-Atlantic region. Some rumbles of thunder remaining possible for places like Charlotte, Greensboro, Raleigh, but the severe weather threat in those areas today relatively low. Big upper level low sitting overhead. That's the upper air pattern here early this afternoon. That low will be very slow to pull away. This is how we look by Wednesday evening. And that means the effects from that will be fairly slow to move out of the region. But eventually a big change is on the way. There's the day 8 to 10 mean, European on the left, GFS on the right. Some nice ridging kicking in here by later this weekend and early next week, and that's going to mean a big time warm up. Let me take you through the day-to-days here. This is the GFS this afternoon's precip, cool, showery conditions. A lot of the Interstate 85 corridor struggling to even make it up toward the low to at most mid-60s for highs today. That low will gradually pull away. The shower, and it's not going to rain all day, let me stress that, but there will be some showers around, some embedded thunderstorms, and that low will pull away slowly. This is 8 o'clock coming up, I should say 7 o'clock coming up Wednesday morning. That low sitting over southeastern North Carolina and still close enough tomorrow to kick off some scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms. But still looks Thursday like the rain will be confined to the eastern parts of the eastern half of North Carolina up into Virginia. Friday looks dry and getting warmer, upper 70s to low 80s by Friday, and then here's Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Looks mainly dry this weekend and getting much, much warmer. Highs cranking well on up into the mid to upper 80s, and maybe even a few 90-degree readings creeping in by early next week as the scattered thunderstorm chance returns for the first couple of days of next work week. All right, so that is it for this Tuesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay dry, and God bless.